Bar students, Miss Wilson here. So this week we're going to talk about economic and political control of the colonies. So you're going to read through some slides. There's also audio available, so you'll see this audio button and you can press play and it'll read it to you. And then of course you can adjust the volume over here. So once you've listened to or read through all these slides, you'll come to this last slide here. And again, this one has audio as well. But basically, you're doing this kind of like a word search, right, in the slides. So you're going to look for each of these pieces of information within the slide. So the first one says Proclamation of 1763. So you're going to go through these slides and you're going to try to find Proclamation of 1763. So I found it on slide 11. And then you're going to click and drag across and let go. Then you come up to the highlighting tool. Choose whatever color you want as long as you can still see the text. And you're going to highlight that information. So once you've done that, you're going to go back to slide 14 and you're going to find the next item, controlled the colonists by economic means. So you'll go through the slides and you find that information in one of the slides and you're going to highlight that.